everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Soapy Stories, and today we're talking about the river from One Magic. We are currently on season 5. When it started, they reveal a wedding that no one saw coming. But before you get excited guys, they were just showing us or the viewers what will happen a year later. So guys, Nomonde and Mabutho got married, and like most TV weddings, there was or there will be a lot of drama, including a fight between Zweli and Mabutho that ended with one of them badly injured or dead. Now guys, between me and you, Sazugutu Lindi were killed Mabutho after he stole diamond at Khanyisa Diamond. And what we don't know ukuthi wafanga mpela or akafanga, because they didn't show us the rest of the storyline. Bagcina nje la ulindiwe edubula Mabutho ephoseka kuleleya iliwa leleyana. But according to season 5 tears, Mabutho did not die. He survived and managed to get back into Lindiwe's good books. Hence they show us a Shada no Nomonde, or getting married to Nomonde. And I think it has to do with the new Shope family in town that are Lindiwe's or Tikana's biggest competitors. I think Mabutho will find a way to save the Tikana family or Lindiwe from the Shopes, and that's how he'll get or gain trust from the Tikana and marry their daughter Nomonde. And that is my opinion guys, trying to think how will they twist the end to suit what we are currently seeing on our screen. I don't know, just thinking out loud guys. That's bring us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion if usisonke ucabanga ukuthi wena kwenzekeni or kuzokwenzekalani ngoMabutho. Was he dreaming olomshado owenzeka ngampela? Bye.